Let's perhaps move on to the next topic here, which is, if you had a magic wand to solve tech issues, what would that be?
Well, first it would be to have unlimited budget to solve the tech issues. And then really the challenges that I articulated, the problem statements I articulated, in the first 10 minutes of our conversation are really where I'd wave the magic wand to get those resolved first. And there just isn't I wish there was a magic wand, but I think safety and security in all of the hospitality architectures would be where we would start. And then the guest identity and the personalization. We've been talking about those for 10 years and we've never been able to bring them to fruition because it's really hard to get everybody on the same level playing field in terms of the technology and getting the data all in one place where you can actually leverage it.
Okay, excellent. Final question, what's your vision for hospitality 10 years from now?
I think we're finally moving toward a persistent identity framework for guests, which will make a big difference. A common language, decentralized identity for all of the hotels and the whole travel journey because it's so disconnected. You need to be able to have communication and recognition throughout the entire journey. And you can only do that if you've got your identity consistentized and it's persistent for the guest and for the actual physical building or airplane or whatever the case may
Okay.
be. So I think to deliver on what guests really want is a truly personalized experience. The identity piece has to be worked out first. So I think in the next 10 years, I actually think that's going to happen. There's some really, really good work being done on that, and I think so many of the systems are partially in the cloud, but not fully in the cloud. And it's really been difficult to manage. There's a lot of underlying hotel systems today that are 30 and 40 years old. And most of the brands are actually moving them to the cloud, but it's a 5+ year process when you've got 5,000, 7,000 hotels. And then I think adding the AI to add value and maybe identify bad actors in the space and eliminate them will be, there'll be some efficiencies to take advantage of with AI.